Okay, so today, my friends, we're going to be talking about our bears. Excuse me. Let's count how many we have in all.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa, wait a sec. 3, 4, and 5. They're hard to hold up when they're small. So I'm going to put some bears in the cave, okay? Here they go in our cave. So we're going to go in your head, count. Go in your head. Now, I'm going to add some more bears, and I want you to tell me how many bears are in the cave, okay? So you ready? Watch what I'm doing. Okay. Who can tell me how many bears are in the cave, my friend?
3.
How do you know there's 3 in the cave, my friend?
Because I counted in my head.
And what did you say in your head? You said,
I counted 3.
I'm sorry, you knew there were 2, right? And so how did you know then there were 3?
Because you put 1 more in.
And?
I counted in my head.
Okay. Can you talk to me about how you counted? What did you say in your head? You said,
1, 2, 3.
okay, so he said 1, 2, 3. Did someone think about it in a different way? Different way.
I thought, well, there's 2 in the bag. Oh, and there's
Self-check.
1 more. So that makes 3.
Okay, so he said, well, there's 2 in the bag. I already know. I don't need to count those. 1 more, 2, 3. Did anyone think about it any different way? I'm not going to use your names on tape, so I'm just going to point to you.
I counted by 2, 3.
Okay, so you counted just like my friend did. Someone different. My friend, how did you think about it?
I counted backwards 3, 2, 1.
Okay, but how did you know there were 3 to
Because
begin with? I think you're better if you're counting forward. You knew there was 2 and then you counted 1 more 3. Okay, I'm going to do another one. You ready? For bears in my cave? That's what's in my cave.
1.
Oh, keep it in your head. Keep it in your head. Okay, you ready? How many and how do you know, my friend? How many?
2.
2. Is he right? How did you know, my friend?
Because well, this one is 2.
So he had 1 and he added 1 and 1 plus 1 is 2. I like the way you thought about that as a number sentence. Nice job. Different way of thinking about it?
2, 1.
Okay, so you went backwards, but be careful, because when you go backwards, you don't know how many I'm going to drop in yet, okay? After, it's easy, after you know the answer. You can fool around with what we call fact families, but we're not doing fact families right now. That's not what we're talking about.
What's that?
Give me another idea of how you know there were 2 in the bag.
I thought you just left only 1 in there, but I realized that you put 2, that you put 1 more in, because 1 plus 1 is 2.
1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, so that was the same. Any different way of thinking about it?
I counted on from 1.
Counted on from 1. Perfect. Okay, watch now.
3.
Shh, don't shout out, please. Okay, so you know how many are in there. Keep it in your head. Now watch what's going to happen. Self-check. Self-check. Where's class?
5.
Shh, don't shout out. How many are in my bag?
5.
Oh, how do you know there are 5 in my bag? He's right, there are 5 in my bag. How do you know that, my friend?
Because you put 1, 2, 3, 4, but you put 1 more in it, and 3 plus 2 equals 5.
Okay, so I put, well, you told me I put 1, 2, 3, 4 in, and 4 plus 1 equals
5.
nice. Give me another way you might have thought about that. Thank you for sitting so quietly. Emergency. You counted on. Another way?
I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You just kept counting on
Seven.
as I dropped them in. Okay, so we're going to be playing this game, okay? We're going to be playing this game as a center today. The other centers we're going to be doing, and go ahead, you can turn us, hit the red button again.